Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 5G, and today I'll show you how to put the device into fastboot mode. And to get started, you want to hold power key and then select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time. And from here, using volume up and down, you want to navigate through this mode and you want to select recovery mode and then confirm it with power key. From there you should see the Android with no command, so to get past this you want to hold power key and then press volume up and you should be in recovery mode. And again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to select enter fastboot mode, confirm with power key, and there we go, we're now in fastboot. So that is how you boot into fastboot mode, and to leave it, simply select reboot system now and press power key, and this will take you back to the Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.